assess changes in neuroplasticity following for X intervention.
Okay, wow. Thank you for the answer. Do you do any research for neuroplasticity using the BALAC, something like that? Yeah. Okay. So far, no, because at the moment we doing have like a pilot RCT, randomized control trial, by one of my PhD student in Sungai Buloh, which is Dr. Karen. What she did is actually they just use PPPD patient, triple PD, postural, perceptual, positional dizziness. This is another diagnosis. The very features when you are standing so long, they feel like a very imbalanced. So they did the comparison between BALAC and also the one-to-one session with physiotherapy, and it shows equally good. But we don't have at the moment the neuroplasticity study, but it should be done, inshallah, in the future.
Thank you for all the answers as well. So I think